You want your students to reach the highest level of success, no matter their economic background, their learning style, and regardless of where they choose to learn. But how can you make complex topics stick? Introducing Boards and Beyond, a premium video learning resource with hundreds of videos by board-certified physicians. Over 100,000 students worldwide rely on Boards and Beyond to help them succeed on the boards and beyond. But it's not just for students, it's for educators like you. Performance tracking and analytics empower you to build custom learning plans and identify focus areas to enhance the classroom learning experience. Here's what your colleagues have to say. Give your students access to a comprehensive digital learning resource that helps complex topics stick, from preclinical to clinical years and beyond. Go above and beyond with Boards and Beyond. Learn more today by visiting the website on your screen.